Today I'm giving you a full room tour of Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, specifically the Casitas section. We're staying in a standard 2-queen bedroom, so let's check it out. If you're planning a Walt Disney World vacation and wondering if Coronado Springs is a right fit for your family, hopefully this tour will help you decide. As soon as you walk into the room, you'll notice how spacious it feels for a moderate Disney resort. Coronado Springs blends a deluxe style vibe with moderate pricing, and the Casitas building is known for being quiet, beautifully themed, and close to the amenities. The Coronado Springs resort rooms were renovated about 3 years ago, and they really worked on how you maximize the space. We stayed in here as a family of 4 because my oldest stayed home for school, and we had plenty of room. There's storage underneath the beds where you can slide your suitcases, there's door space, and they really just made sure that you can maximize the space that you're in. The room is also fully loaded for tech, so you have USB ports for charging on each side of the bed and outlets, and charging is just really easy because you're going to need that at the end of your park day for the next one. Across from the beds is a larger dresser, plenty of storage space. I think that's really where they optimized this room, and a flat screen TV. It's perfect for organizing your clothes for the next day. Plus, they also offer a closet area with hangers. Some of the in-room amenities include an ironing board. They have a hair dryer included that I actually had to use when we got soaking wet from the park, an extra pillow and blanket. Plus you have the mini fridge, a coffee maker, and Disney provided coffee and tea, which is the Joffrey's brand. I love that Disney separates the toilet area from the vanities so that if someone is taking a shower or using the restroom, you can have the other part of the party still getting ready and using the bathroom space outside. Plus, it has sliding doors to separate the whole bathroom from the bedroom area. This was our second time staying at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, and overall, I really love the theming and the amenities for being a moderate resort. However, walking from the Casitas building to the main building is quite a long walk. They do have an internal shuttle service take you from building to building, which is helpful if you struggle with walking. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comments, or if you're planning a trip to Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, and subscribe for more family travel videos. You can find all of my content at savvymamalifestyle.com. Thanks for watching.